Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the complexities of the crypto market, providing you with the knowledge you need to make informed trading decisions. Today's date is October 22nd, 2024, and we're focusing on Litecoin, or LTCUSD as it's known in the trading world. Recent news for Litecoin has been dominated by two key events: the upcoming halving, a programmed reduction in the issuance rate of Litecoin, and the rumors of a Litecoin ETF filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The halving is expected to occur in early 2025, and some analysts believe it could act as a catalyst for price appreciation due to the expected decrease in supply. The potential Litecoin ETF filing, which could make it easier for institutional investors to invest in Litecoin, has also generated bullish sentiment. However, it's important to note that the ETF application is still pending and there is no guarantee of approval. Let's take a look at the charts and see if we can find any technical signals to corroborate this news. We're starting with the daily chart, which provides a broader overview of Litecoin's price movements. Looking at the past few months, we can see a clear downward trend in Litecoin's price, with multiple bearish candlesticks indicating selling pressure. This bearish trend aligns with the recent price drop following the halving event in August, which is often attributed to a sell the news sentiment. A key price level to watch is around $70, where Litecoin has found support and resistance in the past. If the price dips below this level, it could signal further downward momentum. On the other hand, if the price manages to break above $70, it could indicate a shift in sentiment and a potential rally towards the next resistance level around $80. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at the recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can see that Litecoin has been consolidating for the past few days, oscillating between $60 and $65. This consolidation phase suggests a lack of strong directional momentum, making it difficult to determine the short-term outlook. However, we can identify some interesting patterns within this consolidation. For example, there appears to be a potential double bottom forming around $60, which could signal a bullish reversal. If the price breaks above the neckline of this pattern, which is around $65, it could lead to a short-term rally. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to get a better understanding of the intraday price movements. The 15-minute chart reveals that Litecoin has been experiencing a series of small, choppy candlesticks. This volatility suggests that traders are hesitant to take large positions due to the uncertainty surrounding Litecoin's direction. While this lack of strong momentum might be frustrating for day traders, it's important to remember that the long-term outlook for Litecoin remains heavily influenced by the upcoming halving event and potential ETF approval. Let's go back to the daily chart to put things into perspective. Although the current price action is relatively bearish, the upcoming halving event and potential ETF approval could inject significant bullish momentum into Litecoin in the coming months. In conclusion, Litecoin is currently facing a crossroads. On the daily chart, the bearish trend and the presence of support and resistance levels around $70 and $80 are key indicators to watch. On the hourly chart, the potential double bottom pattern around $60 and the neckline around $65 could indicate a short-term bullish reversal, but only if the price manages to break above the neckline. The 15-minute chart highlights the short-term volatility, but the long-term implications of the halving and potential ETF approval remain highly influential. It's essential to monitor the news closely, particularly any developments regarding the Litecoin ETF application. Also, keep an eye on the price action around key support and resistance levels to identify potential shifts in sentiment and breakout opportunities. While the current price action is somewhat bearish, the long-term outlook for Litecoin remains promising, thanks to the potential impact of the halving and ETF approval. Remember, this is just an analysis, not financial advice. Always conduct your own research, consult with a financial advisor, and manage your risk accordingly before making any trading decisions. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.